If you want a fast, simple way to organize your photos in Lightroom Desktop, this tutorial is going to help a lot. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use keywords, flags, and star ratings the easy way, so you can sort, search, and rate your photos much faster. This is one of the best workflows for keeping your library clean and saving time later when you need to find the right images. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, let's talk about keywords. Keywords are great for search because they help you quickly find photos later based on what's in them. For example, if you add words like portrait, beach, or sunset, you can search those terms later and instantly bring up matching images. To add keywords in Lightroom Desktop, first select the photo you want to organize, then click the tag icon. After that, type in your keyword or keywords and press Enter to save them. You can add one keyword or several, depending on how you want to organize your library. A good tip is to keep your keywords consistent. If you sometimes type beach and other times coastline, Lightroom will treat them as separate search terms, so try to use the same style every time. That makes searching much easier when your photo library grows. Next, let's move on to flags. Flags are perfect when you want to quickly choose the best photos or mark images you do not want to keep. This is especially useful after importing a large batch of photos. Lightroom gives you a few simple flag options, and the shortcuts make the process really fast. Press P to mark a photo as a pick. This means it's a keeper. Press X to mark it as reject, which is useful for photos you want to delete later. And if you change your mind or want to clear the flag, press U to unflag the photo. Flags are ideal for fast selection. For example, after a shoot, you can go through your images and press P on the strong shots and X on the blurry, duplicate, or unwanted ones. This helps you clean up your collection before you spend time editing. Now let's go over star ratings. Star ratings are best when you want to rank the quality of your photos more carefully. You can press the number keys from 1 to 5 to assign a rating. 1 star usually means a low priority image, and 5 stars means the best of the best. This system is helpful when you want to separate usable photos from your top selects. A simple way to think about it is this: 5 stars for your strongest shots, 3 stars for usable images, and 1 star for photos you probably won't use. This makes it easier to compare similar photos and narrow down your final picks. Here's the best part. Keywords, flags, and star ratings work really well together in a pro workflow. Start by importing your photos. Then use P and X to remove the bad shots quickly. After that, use star ratings to rank the good ones from average to excellent. Finally, add keywords so your images are easy to search and organize later. That workflow saves a ton of time and keeps everything structured. For example, you could use 5 stars for your very best shots, 3 stars for usable images, and 1 star for images you want to ignore. Then add keywords like wedding, portrait, or outdoor so you can find them later in seconds. So that's the simple workflow: keywords for search, flags for selection, and star ratings for quality. Once you get used to it, Lightroom Desktop becomes much faster and much easier to manage. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.